Momenters, thanks for watching another Moments by Boothe video. If you're new to the channel, I'm Akeem Boothe, real estate YouTuber and realtor, and this is your one-stop shop for all things Jamaican real estate. Today, we'll be looking at my brand new rental listing coming from Phoenix Park Village that is going for an asking price of $150,000 per month. But stay tuned so I can tell you why at $150,000 it is an absolute steal. But enough of the chattings, I know you're ready for the video. Are you ready? Run me intro. Akeem Boothe. Blessings. Yeah man, no problem. Alright, cool. So this is your brand new rental property if you so choose to place an offer on it. As you can see, the driveway is paved and it is a corner lot. It is 813 square feet, and with this corner lot unit you get lawn maintenance in your monthly rent. And as you can see, it's just started, but over time it will grow out, and also maintenance of the yard itself for any weeds and bush that might grow up, that will be taken care of for you by the property owner in your rental amount. All right, so let's just walk around so you guys can see the stone path and the paved driveway. So you have two parking spots. You can park one car there, or you can even drive one up and park one up close and then one down here. So two can be parked over there and two can also be parked here. Grass has been planted there, and you have the stone path to this side. We can walk this way so you guys can see what's happening. You have a window right there, you have the stone path right here, you have the window for the bathroom that is right here. And then this is where your line will be. So a line with 5 lines will be set up right here before you move in for sure. And this is your backyard space. All this gravel and stuff that's here will be cleaned up as well before you move in. This is just some leftovers from the paving of the driveway project. Let me just show you what the back looks like. A lot of the times, because there was no laundry that was built onto these units, and this is a brand new unit, you'll be the first person to live here. But because there was no laundry to these units, what the property owner did was to pave the back for you. So when you do come out to do your laundry around the back, or just use a wash tub, because you do have piping that runs on the inside that facilitates a washing machine and a dryer on the inside. And what you'll notice as well is that there are surveillance cameras that runs around the house, and you will have full access to that to see what's going on at your property when you're not here, or even if you're here and on the inside. So this is your side walkway, so that's beautifully done as well. All right, and this is what it looks like from the outside, the side view. So let's take a peek at your backyard, side yard, and your front yard. And as I said, over time the grass will grow up and such, and all of that maintenance of the lawn and the yard is included in your purchase. Well, your rental price. You're not buying it yet. So there's another camera right here, and there's one more right here. So that completes your surveillance system. So let me just give you a final look of the outside. before we move on inside and show you guys what's happening inside there. All right, so as I mentioned, it hasn't been lived in ever, and you will be the first. So as you can see, it's brand spanking new. The only reason why the curtains are up is just so there isn't anyone just peeking in whilst the place is left unoccupied, right? So with this unit, you also get water included, and as you can see here, you have internet and cable that is included as well. So internet is included, cable is included, water is included, and the maintenance of the lawn and yard is included in this. So quite literally, all you'll be paying would be the electricity bill, because the maintenance of the housing is included as well, based on the fact that it is in a gated community, for those of you guys who are not familiar with Phoenix Park Village. All right, so let me just open up some of these windows. So this is the kitchen area, right? Standard kitchen. There is an alarm system here as well that can be connected, that comes built in, and this is what we're looking at from the back, which is where you can put your washer dryer setup. All right, that's your back door to lead you out to the back. You have a standard kitchen, double bowl sink. You have your window right here, cupboard, right? Soft close on the cupboards, right? Bam. So you have upper cabinetry here. That's a space for your stove, standard stove. You have more space right here, right? See, all these things that's there is just the internet stuff, and then Digicel had placed some stuff inside to try and entice, but the property owner actually went with flow, so you'll be getting flow, cable, and internet. All right, your refrigerator, generally persons who own these units, they put them right here where this plug is. All right, let me just fly the back door so you can see what I go on. So this is the unit from the back. All right, so again, the property owner made sure to pave here, so when you step out, you're not stepping out in dirt, especially during these times where there is a lot of rain that's happening in Jamaica. Right. So you can close that back up, and we can show you guys the living area. So this is the living and dining, which is an open concept, and it's the bare minimum because, of course, as I mentioned, this is a brand new unit. No one has lived here before. All right, so that's a final look of the living and dining and kitchen, and we'll move into this area here where you have some additional storage. So you have storage that you can utilize up top. You have this little cubby, and then you have right here where you can store some stuff, a little broom closet, right? So let's look in the secondary bedroom first. So this is the secondary bedroom, and let me just fly this window so we can get out some of this echo. So because no furniture is in here at present, you do get a bit of an echo. So this is what the room looks like, the secondary bedroom. You have some space up there to store a suitcase or so on and so forth. The place is already wired for air conditioning, and before you move in, there is no air conditioning inside right now, but before you move in, once you sign that lease agreement, the property owner will install an air conditioning unit in both bedrooms that are here. So the secondary bedroom will get an air conditioning unit, and the primary bedroom will get an air conditioning unit for your convenience in your monthly rental fee as well. So that is your closet. I like these new styles of closet that they're using in phase 5. Very much nicer than the ones they were using in phase 3 and 4, which I do have videos of some of those on my channel as well. So this is your bathroom. Alright, floating vanity. You have your cabinet that you put your stuff. Remember to hit that subscribe button, guys, and like this video if you actually like it, and comment down below if you're planning to, or you would rent this if you had the money to. Alright, so this is your standing shower. So they got rid of the tubs for phase 5 and they're utilizing standing showers, which is perfect. Right? Alright, and as you can see, it's a Jack and Jill bath in a sense, because this bedroom shares it and this bedroom shares it. So we're about to step into the primary bedroom now. Before we look inside, let me just fly these windows. So you see a view. Luckily I started this video now because the rain is coming. The rain is definitely coming, and this bedroom comes equipped with 2 windows, which is pretty nice, pretty nice. So let's step back out. So this is the bedroom, the primary, and once again, as I mentioned, air conditioning unit will be placed inside before you move in. All right, once you sign that lease agreement, the property owner will install the air conditioning units in both this bedroom and the bedroom next door at no additional cost to you, in the same $150,000. All right, and you have the storage space similar as the one in the other bedroom, and it's virtually identical how these closets are. The only good thing is that you get access to the bathroom from here, from this bedroom, which is the primary. Bam! Yeah. So that's pretty much it for this particular unit. I hope you guys enjoy this property tour. Don't forget that the goal is to live life on your own terms, and that is what I'm out here doing each and every time I make one of these videos for you. And also don't forget that this particular unit is going for $150,000, and it includes water, it includes water, cable, internet, lawn maintenance, yard maintenance, and you're getting 2 air conditioning units as well. All right, so if you're interested in this property, you can reach out to me at 876-819-9918, or you can send me an email at akeem@sotheby'srealty.com.jm. Or for those of you guys who like to reach out to me on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok, on Twitter, wherever you want to reach out to me at, reach out to me and I'll give you a tour of this place myself. And if you're interested, you can make an offer and we can see if this particular home is the right home for you. Thanks again so much for watching. AB signing out.